In this video, I will show you how to add money to your Facebook ad account. When you open your Meta Ads Manager app, go ahead and click on this settings icon. It will take you here. You are going to see the ad account you want to fund. If you have more than one ad account, you see all of them here. Select the particular ad account you want to fund. Okay. For instance, I want to fund this particular ad account. Then go ahead and click on billing and payments. You'll be directed here and you will see your prepaid fund balance here. You are seeing mine, which is 13,260 naira because I already have existing fund there. If you have not added any fund in your prepaid balance at all, you are going to be seeing 0 naira here. Okay, so since you have already added your payment method, you don't need to add payment method again. If you have not added payment method, go and watch the video that I did on how to add payment method. After adding payment method and you want to add fund, because this particular video is focused on adding money, go ahead and click on this add funds button. It will take you to this interface. The first thing you see here is amount. This is a default amount. It's usually 4,500. That's the default amount. You can tap on it to edit the amount there. I'll tap on it right now. Let's assume that I want to put in 1,000 naira. I want to add 1,000 naira to my Facebook ad account. Okay, I will input 1,000 naira right there, right? Then the next thing is to select the payment method. You will see add payment method here. There are different payment methods here. Pay attention. This first one you will see debit or credit card. If you're living in Nigeria, our Naira debit card cannot pay for international payments. Therefore, if you select this first one, you will struggle to pay for your ad account, right? So I encourage that you select any of these other payment methods. Okay, you can use this pay by USSD if you are going to be sending the money through USSD code. Okay, but if you're paying with your Naira Visa card or MasterCard, then select this one, Naira payment with MasterCard/Visa. This one that has pay you by the side. If you're not paying with your card and you want to pay via transfer method, that is bank transfer, you transfer from your app, your mobile app, then select this one that says pay by bank transfer. Okay, for the purpose of this video, I would like to pay with my card, so I'll select this one that says Naira payment with MasterCard/Visa that has pay you by the side. I'll select that one. Then scroll down and you are going to see this next button down below. Click on next. You'll be redirected to your Google browser if that is your default browser. Then you will see this continue button here. Click on it. Now go ahead and fill in your card details. Enter your card number here. This card number is the long digit numbers on your card. Okay, after that, enter your card holder name. For several bank cards, they usually write the name of the card holder on that card. They inscribe it on the card. In case yours is not inscribed, then enter your bank account name here. It's the same thing. Okay, after that, input your expiry date. This is for the month. You will see it on your card. After the expiring date, after entering the expiring date for the month enter that of the year. Is still on that card. Okay, that YY is for year. After that, they are going to provide another space here, which is going to be CVV. That CVV is the 3-digit numbers at the back of your card. Just turn your card, you will see the 3-digit numbers at the back. Input the CVV, then click on this pay 1,000 naira button here. In case you're depositing 10,000, 5,000, 20,000, you also see that amount here on this button that will say pay so amount. Okay, for security reasons, you will not see when I will enter all my details, but I will enter that right now and click on this button. You will be directed here. In my own case, I am using GT Bank MasterCard. You can use any card, MasterCard or Visa card. Your bank will send you the OTP to your registered phone number or email address. Click here to enter the OTP. I will enter my OTP now, 27. After entering your OTP, click on this confirm button. It's processing. Don't close this page. You can see your transaction was successful. When it shows you like this, your transaction was successful, just wait for it to complete the process. You can see funds successfully added. Now close this Chrome browser and go back to your Meta Ads Manager app. When you open it, it will load the new balance. You can see that right here, 1,000 naira successfully added. You now have 14,000 plus. So if you added 5,000, 3,000, 2,000, 20,000, it is still going to be added like this. What you need to do now is to click on this done button down below. Click on done and you will see your balance here. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and drop a comment below.